Okay guys, hotel review time. Well, kind of. I didn't actually get to stay here. This place is called Chasa Rakthai Resort and it's located in Rakthai in northern Thailand. It's kind of like a little piece of China in northern Thailand. Pretty awesome place. Worth the visit if you're ever in the area. It's a project to get there, let me tell you, but it was worth the effort. There's a look around the lake. Everything is located around this lake. The hotel right on the edge of the water, right there in the middle, that's where I stayed. In my opinion, a much nicer hotel than the one that I'm showing here, but it doesn't have this amazing view. And the view in the morning is spectacular across the water with the fog on the water. It's really, really nice. All little shops and restaurants all along there. Lots of places to stay here. Some really cheap little bungalows like these. There's dome tents, there's places to put tents. No shortage of places to stay. But the one we're showing here is very hard to get a room in. It seems to be booked up months, even a year in advance. Not sure how that works, but it's a popular place. Those are tea fields along the side of this hill. There's a look at the hotel. It's a really interesting place, that's for sure. I did see inside of one of the rooms when the maid was cleaning it. And I have to say, it's only okay. Nothing spectacular, that's for sure. Here's some pictures right off of Agoda. And that's what it looked like. The room I saw looked just like this one. And it's okay, but the place I stayed at across the lake was much nicer, that's for sure. I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description. You can go have a look, get more information, and there are other places to stay as well. There's the stairs. I climbed all the way up here. There is a road coming up the backside. It's really, really steep, but I came from the road here all the way up those stairs. It's insanely steep. Here's the restaurant. It's one level above the road. I believe breakfast is served there as well. I ate in a place right across the street or just down the road from here in the evening. It was absolutely delicious food and a very popular place. Here's from street level. You check in right there. And there's the door to the stairway to the top. It's really, really crazy steep, that's for sure. But a very interesting place. Even if you didn't stay there, I'm glad I went to the top and just enjoyed the view. It's really nice, that's for sure. I'm still not sure why this place is so popular, but it's booked up for months, even years ahead of time. Maybe it's tour groups, I'm not sure. But this Rakthai is a very interesting place. There's the hotel on the hill. Pretty awesome, that's for sure. I'm glad I made the effort to go there. It's a beautiful, beautiful place to visit in the cold season. The fog in the morning across the lake, absolutely wonderful, I tell you. As always guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.